Hello, lovely people. Welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. It's an honor to come your way again. In today's video, I share with you this easy, delicious Ghanaian light soup recipe. This turned out so nice. So guys, let's get into the video. In my pot, I have my goat meat. I will add some chopped onion. I will also go in with some goat seasoning. I will then add my blended garlic and ginger. I will also add my herb spices. Then add some salt. Give this a mix and let it be on the fire for some few minutes. So I'm going to let this cook in its own juice before adding some water. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our meat is doing very well. And I also added one shrimp tablet of camera. So I will now go in with my tomato paste, mix everything together, add some water and let it cook very well. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We make food recipes on this channel. If you like what you are seeing, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. In another pot, I will go in with my vegetables. I have some tomatoes, bell pepper, carrots, habanero, onion, also turkey berries. I will add some water, then allow this to boil for some minutes. Now with I have my fresh fish, I will add some fish seasoning and also add blended garlic and ginger. So I'm going to use this to marinate the fish and set it down for some minutes before adding it to the soup. If you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much and please don't forget to like this video and also share this video. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks and we make anything related to food recipes. Okay, so at this point the vegetables are well cooked and I'll just take it off from the fire and blend them and set it aside. Checking on our meat, the sauce has really taken up and cooked very well. I will just go ahead and add my blended vegetable. Also, I did not sieve it, but feel free to do so if that is what you prefer. And I went ahead to add more water because I really want the soup to be light. So all depends on how you want it. If you want it thick, you add less water, and if you want it light, you add more water. So now I'm adding my fresh fish, that is my tilapia. So usually I always use smoked fish to prepare my soup, but I decided to try this combo, that is my goat meat and my fresh fish, and trust me guys, this was so nice. So after adding the fish, I went ahead to add my okra, and I also added some habanero pepper and half shrimp tablet to it, give it a gentle stir and then cover it. And I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate it a lot, and God bless you for always leaving a comment under my post. To my new families too, you guys are so amazing. Welcome on board. All right, fam. So after 20 minutes, our soup is almost done and I'm just giving it a gentle stir. So I went ahead to taste for salt and it was not enough, so I added some of the salt to it, give it a gentle stir, and cover it. So at this point, you have to be really careful because we don't want our fish to break up in the soup. So I'm just doing it gently. Then I'll cover it. After 5 minutes, our soup will be ready. Okay, lovelies. So we have our light soup which is ready here, ready to be enjoyed. The aroma smells so amazing, guys. This is a must-try recipe, and I went ahead to pair this with my fufu. If you find this video interesting, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till then, see you guys in my next video, and peace be with you all. Enjoy the rest of the video.